Assalamu alaikum grade 1. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start your 10th lecture. Open your book at page number 20. Unit 3, lesson 6. Here are the instructions for making a sandwich. For making a sandwich, you need 2 slices of bread, packet of butter, a jar of jam, a knife and a big plate. Now what to do? First of all, you have to wash your hands. Second one, put your slices of bread on a plate. Third, get a knife. Fourth, put some butter on one slice of bread with the knife. Put some jam on the other side of bread with the knife. Put one slice of bread on top of the other slice. Cut the sandwich in half. Eat the sandwich. Now in exercise 2, complete the sentences with the words in the box. Here are the words you will use put for 2 times. Eat, wash, get and cut. First you wash your hands, then you get a knife, you put butter and jam on the slices of bread. Next you put one slice of bread on top of the other slice. You cut the sandwich in half. Finally, you eat the sandwich. C. Match the following: a glass of water, a cup of tea, a slice of bread, a jar of jam, and a packet of butter. Now, page number 21, unit 3, lesson number 7, just for fun. Do the crossword puzzle. Here are the clues for the crosswords. First one is bread. You can make here jam. Second one is tea. Third one is egg, and from the egg you can make glass, sweet, milk, mango, orange and banana. Now here are some riddles. You have to answer these riddles. I say moo moo, I give milk. Who am I? The answer is cow. I say cluck cluck, I give you eggs. Who am I? Hen. I say meow meow, I eat rat. Who am I? Cat. I say woof woof, I eat meat. Who am I? It's a dog. Grade 1, open your English grammar book at page number 28. Unit 9 is the verbs. First of all, I will tell to you what are the verbs. Verbs are the actions. Actions are called verb. Doing a work is called a verb. For example, the boy plays in the garden. Here the plays is the verb. So plays will be underlined. The cat sleeps on the mat. The word sleeps is the verb. Now, complete the following sentences. Underline the verbs in each sentence. The man opens the window. Here the opens is the verb. The lion roars. Roars is the verb. The cow eats grass. Eats is the verb. The owl sleeps on a tree. Sleeps is a verb. Now students, now second question is complete the following sentences with the words from the list given below. First one is runs, drinks, drives and reads. Terry dash a book. Terry reads a book. The man drives a car. The old man drinks water. The dog runs after the man. Now page number 29. Look at the pictures. See what is happening here. Write a sentence to show what is happening in your notebook. Choose the doing words from the list below. Here is the swims, climbs, sits and flies. This is a hen. Sits, the hen sits on eggs. Climbs, the monkey climbs up a tree. Flies, the bird flies. Swims, fish swim in water. Look at the pictures, complete them with the correct verb by putting a tick on the right word. The man plays or stands on the piano. Plays. The baby plays or sleeps in the cradle. Sleeps. The cat sips or licks the milk. Licks. The elephant rolls or eats a log of wood. Rolls. Study the picture, write 5 sentences about what each one is doing in your notebook. You may use the words given in the list below. Grade 1, this is your task. Now look here. The boy catches the ball. The man feeds the ducks. Boy throws the ball. The girl swings. The old man walks. Now here on page number 30, read the 3 pairs of the sentences below. The word marked in red are the verbs. Jack is brushing his teeth. Brushing is the verb. Olivia is reading a book. Reading is a verb. The driver is driving the car. Driving is verb. The ship is sailing on the sea. Sailing is verb. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Flies is the verb. Cats drink milk. Drink is a verb. Now on page number 31, what are the people doing? The first word is digging, playing, crying and fighting. The farmer is dash the soil, digging the soil. The children are dash with the ball, playing with the ball. The naughty girls are fighting. The baby is crying for milk. Write the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the verbs. Cat purr when they are hungry. The boy kicks the ball. Cows eat grass. Here I have underlined the verbs. Now in extended exercise, the man is sitting or walking. Look here, the man is walking, so you have to circle the word walking. The children are playing or fighting in the park. They are playing. The girl is writing or reading a book. Reading. Father is digging or driving a car. Driving. The boy is riding or rowing a horse. Riding a horse. You have to circle the word riding.